Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've been using WhatsApp on your PC, you might have noticed the awesome new update that makes replying to document messages way easier. No more fumbling around or switching apps today. I'm walking you through exactly how to reply to a message straight from the received document section. It's super straightforward and it'll save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once it's open, look over to the left side menu. That's your sidebar with all the quick options. Spot the media icon there. It looks like a little image or gallery symbol. Give it a click. That opens up your media gallery, showing photos, videos, and more. But we're here for documents, so scroll or tap to the Docs tab. Boom, there they are, all your received PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, whatever you've gotten lately. Scroll through to find the exact document tied to the message you want to reply to. Now, at the top of this Docs window, you'll see a sort icon, usually looks like arrows or a filter. Click that to organize your files. From the drop-down, select Others. This groups them nicely, making it a breeze to pinpoint what you need. Found your document, right-click on it. A menu pops up and right there you'll see the reply option. Select that and it whisks you straight to the chat with a draft reply ready, including a preview of the doc. Type out your response, keep it quick, like, "Thanks, got it," or whatever fits. Hit the send button and you're done. The reply goes right back to the conversation, linked perfectly to that document. That's it, folks. This new feature is a game changer for anyone handling work files or shared docs on WhatsApp web or desktop. No copying links or jumping tabs anymore. Give it a try next time a file lands in your chat and let me know in the comments if it worked for you or if you hit any snags. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.